How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. You can do this on both iPhone or Android devices. Open the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Scroll down and select My Data near the bottom of the menu. Then Snapchat asks for your login details. Enter your username and then your password. Under Select Data to Include, check Export HTML files. Turn off all except user information and chat history. Scroll down, tap on Next. Choose the date range that covers your previous friendship with the person. Click Submit. After some time, Snapchat will verify your request and send you an email that you can export your data. Tap on Click here to access your data requested. Then, choose your browser. Enter your login details. Type username. Click Next and enter password. Click on See Exports. Tap on the Download option. After downloading, open the Files app on your phone and go to the Downloads folder. Find the zip file starting with My Data, select it, and unzip. Open the My Data folder, then the HTML folder. Open the file named Friends to see a list of your deleted Snapchat friends. And that's it.